Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of n to the power of 3 equals square root of 3 to the power of 3. We are solving for all values of n that satisfies this equation, both real values and complex values. Now, there's a square root here and there's a square root here. We need to express this in another form. Remember, square root of a is the same as a power 1 over 2. So, square root of n power 3 is the same as writing n power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And this equals 3 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. So, what you are going to do is to apply this identity. If you have a power n to the power of m, this equals n power m to the power of n. So let's apply that right here and here. That means we have n power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 3 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. And remember, a power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of a. So, n power 1 over 2 is the same as square root of n. So this is square root of n to the power of 3 equals, this is square root of 3 to the power of 3. So from here, what we need to do is to move this over here. We now have square root of n to the power of 3 minus square root of 3 to the power of 3. This equals 0. So if you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, my a is square root of n and my b is square root of 3. So from here, we are simply going to have square root of n minus square root of 3 times square root of n raised to the power of 2 plus square root of n times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here, you have square root of n minus square root of 3. Then this cancel this, we have n plus square root of n times square root of 3 is the square root of 3n plus this cancel this, we have 3, and this equals 0. So let's equate each of them to 0. We have square root of n minus square root of 3 equals 0. We have n plus square root of 3n plus 3 equals 0. Now to solve this, we move this over here. We have square root of n equals square root of 3. This eliminate this of n equals 3. That's my n1. Now for n2 and n3, I need to solve this equation. To solve this equation, I need to move n and 3 over here. So simply have square root of 3m equals this is negative 3 minus n. So Next step will be to take the squares of both part of this equation, raise this to the power of 2, and also raise this to the power of 2. So this cancels this. I have 3n equals, this simply means negative 3 minus n raised to the power of 2. So from here, I have 3n equals, this is negative 3 minus n times negative 3 minus n. So from here, I have 3n equals negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9, negative 3 times negative n, plus 3n negative n times negative 3, plus 3n negative n times negative n, plus n squared. So from here, we have 3n equals 9 plus, this is 6n plus n squared. And move this over here. I simply have 0 equals 9 plus 6n plus n squared minus 3n. So I have 0 equals 9, 6n minus 3n, that is 3n, and this is plus n squared. So right now we can rearrange this. We have n squared plus 3n plus 9 equals 0. To solve this, we consider using the formula method. We write the formula in respect to n. We have n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of n squared. B equals 3, coefficient of n, and c equals 9, constant. N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of this is 3 power 2 minus 4 times 8 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, we have n equals, this is negative 3 plus or minus, this is 9 minus, is 36 divided by 2. So from here, n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 27 divided by 2. So this equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 27 divided by 2. So from here, we have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I times square root of 27. 27 is 9 times 3 divided by 2, which equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 2. From here, we have n equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9, that is 3, root 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have n equals negative 3, or let's factor out the 3, we can have 3 over 2 of negative 4 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for n. N2 will be 3 over 2 of -1 plus I times root 3. And n3 will be 3 over 2 of -1 minus I times root 3. You can check using the real value. Here the real value is 3. You can check using the real value by inserting 3 right here. It's definitely going to satisfy the equation. So you have n equals 3, you have square root of 10 power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. Square root of 3 power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. And 3 power 3 is 27, so we have square root of 27 equals square root of 27. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.